What's going on, guys? Welcome to this new episode of Friday Fabric Finds on the week of July 12th, 2024. My name is Mason and I'm an inventory specialist here.
And my name is Justin. I'm a photographer and product adder.
We are going to just go through the newsletter with y'all and see what we have for this week. Let's get started. So of course, we're going to start off with the Friday bundle of the week, which is Bask in Sunshine. So we have a bunch of really nice orange and yellows and whites and neutral colors going on in this, with patterns of sunflowers, butterflies, certain writings and textured dots, and a tonal blender. So let your day shine bright with our Bask in Sunshine Friday bundle.
All right, next we have Free as the Ocean from Riley Blake. This group features the full collection yardage, fat quarter bundles, 10-inch stackers, 5-inch stackers. This group features fish, seahorses, octopuses, turtles, starfish, crabs, reefs, and aquatic plants, and a color palette of coral, aqua, sea green, and lagoon. Make sure to hurry because this collection is selling quickly and we are unable to restock. Let your imagination swim with Free as the Ocean.
The next collection we have for y'all is from Poppie Cotton called Sweet Tooth, and a nice Halloween kind of collection for y'all with the colors of orange, black, cream, yellow, and purple, with patterns of witches, bats, pumpkins, candy, kittens with bow ties, black cats, ghosts, skeletons, stars, polka dots, and flowers. Woo! We have the full collection of yardage with that. We have patterns, fat quarter bundles, 10-inch squares, and 5-inch squares. So make sure to trick or treat yourself to Sweet Tooth from Poppie Cotton.
Next, we have a holiday collection called Jingle Pals from Robert Kaufman. We have the full collection yardage with that, as well as fat quarter bundles. A quick note on that, the fat quarter bundles are currently being restocked. This group features patterns such as cats, bunnies, foxes, bears, mice, ornaments, and sprigs, and a color palette of red, green, and black. So be sure to hop into the holiday with Jingle Pals.
Next, we have another little holiday festive collection for y'all from Henry Glass, which is Winter in Snowtown. We have the full collection of yardage. We have the Midnight in Snowtown quilt kits. And with the kits, they're being restocked, so more will be available in probably the next 2 weeks, so make sure you check out for those. But there's patterns of snowmen, snowflakes, winter scenes, kids playing in the snow, small dots, plaid, and stripes. And they are colors of reds, aquas, and creams. So don't let this collection melt away and cozy up with Winter in Snowtown.
Next for you guys, we have a sell on a kit called the Check Out the Stars quilt kit. This is from Kaufman Fabrics. This kit is originally priced at $74.96. We actually have it on sale for $54.96. So be sure to take advantage of this sale because it is a good one.
The next collection we have for y'all is an interesting one from Dear Stella called Full Moon. And we have the full collection of yardage. We have fat quarter bundles, 10-inch squares, and roundabout quilt kits. The kits will be ready in 2 weeks. We are waiting on some patterns, so be on the lookout for that. And then the 108 wide backing is due to arrive in August. Within all of this, the patterns are desert landscapes, cacti, desert blooms, moons, eucalyptus, horses, wolves, rainbows, sun rays, and southwest symbols in colors of midnight, orange, navy, mist, and Bellini, which is pretty much peach. So make sure that you explore the beauty of the desert with Full Moon from Dear Stella.
All right, guys, next we have another holiday group for you called Home for the Holidays from Northcott. This group features the full collection yardage and fat quarter bundles. This group features a focal print called Christmas Eve, which depicts the hustle and bustle of the Christmas morning, also inspired by 1940s gift wrap. We also have holly, mistletoe, vintage bells, swirling snowflakes, pine cones, time-worn textures, and checks and plaid textures. We have colors of red, gray, black, and white. So wrap up your Christmas with Home for the Holidays from Northcott.
And lastly, we have the July bargains page for y'all to check out. Remember, it does update daily with new things. That could be remnants, could be just regular yardage, could be pre-cuts, notions, all sorts of different things. So make sure you go check out our July bargains and find you a deal.
Last but certainly not least, we've got the comment of the week. This is the section where we pull a comment from last week's episode to read on this week's episode. That comment can be pulled from YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, or TikTok. This week we have Quilt Meets World on YouTube says, lots of Christmas and winter, already ready for this heat to be over.
Me too.
We've been baking here in 103 like humid heat. It's been very hot, very bad. Also, be sure to keep a lookout because in the next couple months, I'd say July from September, we've got a lot more Christmas and winter prints coming. So be sure to be on the lookout for that. Thank you guys so much for watching this episode of Friday Fabric Finds. If you enjoyed, please leave a like, subscribe, and ring that bell to get notifications for when we upload. You can leave a comment. You might be featured for Comment of the Week for next week's episode. Also, be sure to follow us on social media. All of those links are down in the description. But with that being said, we'll see you guys next week. Bye.
See ya.